For today, a powerful partnership between courts and community is making a difference in the lives of families and caregivers. At the heart of this movement, a group of volunteers known as Friends of Court. Here's more.
I do solemnly swear.
13 new members of Friends of Court were sworn in Friday afternoon inside Judge Margaret Alfonso's Harrison County courtroom. The group, all from Michael Memorial Baptist Church, joins a unique partnership between the court system and local faith leaders, one designed to provide outreach and support for families and vulnerable adults.
What Friends of Court does is it helps me be a better judge, for which I am grateful. It helps me make better decisions regarding children, families, vulnerable adult, whether it's through disability or age.
This brings the total number of volunteers to 63 since the program began 3 years ago, the only one of its kind in the state.
This is just another example of just because it's never been done before doesn't mean you can't do it. It just takes a few people with a vision to work together and things can change, and we're so glad that it happened here.
Among the new volunteers, social retirees Mark and Renee Baxter. They spent 8 years caring for a loved one with dementia, an experience that brought them face to face with a reality many caregivers encounter.
There is not much support out there for people who are taking care of especially elderly people with dementia or some kind of memory problem.
When you're a caregiver, your life isn't your own anymore. There's no system out there really where you can get a break. To go to the grocery store or go out on date night or anything like that. Your life is just absorbed.
For Judge Alfonso, programs like Friends of Court also fill a critical gap, helping ensure that decisions about children and vulnerable adults aren't based on which lawyer makes the better argument.
They are my eyes and ears on the ground. They can talk to the social workers at the school, they can talk to the doctors that are treating the children, and they bring those facts. They have no bias. In court, I may have a mother and a father represented by attorneys. A decision regarding a child should not be made by who has the best attorney.